Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about a new topic, checkmate with queen. So basically we'll get to know the step-by-step plans that needs to be carried out in order to checkmate with the queen. And this you need to know because you don't want to end up with a half a point only, especially when you're having a huge material advantage like a queen, right? So let's dive in and get to know how to checkmate with a queen. So basically, there are three plans that needs to be carried out. First, you will be driving your opponent's king to the corner, right? And then you will be bringing your own king into the action, and then you will be delivering the checkmate. So that's going to be the plan of action. As you can see in this picture, this is the first phase where you will be driving the king to the corner, where you will be shrinking down the number of red squares. And moving on, second phase would be bringing the king closer to black's king, that is from as you can see in this position, from here to here, that is king c3, king c3 to king b6. So that will be the second phase, and then you will be delivering the checkmate. So here, as you can see, there are basically two types of checkmates, right? First one is more of horizontally you are kind of attacking. Here queen is almost all like a rook in this position, right? And then this one where queen comes head to head with the king and delivers the checkmate. Here queen is using its diagonal ability to control the king's movement. So there are, so basically these are the two types you can deliver the checkmate. Now moving on, we also need to be careful about stalemates because queen is a very powerful piece and there is a high chance that you might end up in a stalemate. So we also need to look at what kind of positions that could usually result in a stalemate. So as you can see in this position, in the first position, queen alone has kind of constrained the king's movement completely. However, black king's position where it is in right now is not under check. So that's a stalemate. As you remember, stalemate is a situation where there are no valid moves and the king is not under check. So this is a stalemate. And here in the second position, this is also again a stalemate. However, here both king and queen are acting together in controlling the squares of valid squares that were available beside the king. So basically, all the squares around the king are now under check, and black king is not under, sorry, are under attack. All the squares around the black king are under attack. However, black king is not under check. So it's a stalemate again. So these are the things that we will be keeping at the back of our mind when we are trying to deliver a checkmate. So this is the position that was that we'll be trying to carry out a checkmate. So as you can see, these are the squares that are currently available for black. Right now, we need to cut down these squares completely. So what we'll try to do is we'll try to move our queen here, right? So as a result of which only these squares will be available for black king. So therefore, as you can see, the number of squares has kind of decreased. So we carry on with our task. And then here king has two options, this one and this one, right? So let's just see first king c7. King c7 here. Then we again move our queen directly to here because we are cutting down significantly now. Now as you can see, the number of squares around the king are very few. Therefore, as a result of this, this seems to be not an ideal move for black. Therefore, he prefers to play to king e7. And now again white plays queen here, g6, following the same plan. Now once again cutting down the number of squares, right? So again king seems to try to increase the number of squares, so goes to king f8, and then we move queen h7. And here black has no other move. Black king moves here, queen, you can move your queen here. Black king moves here, then again you move your queen, move queen, and there you go. we have reached our position. Now be careful, don't play here queen to c7, that would result in our stalemate position. So from here on, our task would be to bring our king to b6 square. So we will carry out this plan now. King b4, king moves, king b5, king moves, and then king moves. And then we have two types of checkmates. One is queen checkmate, another one is queen checkmate. I hope you understood clearly how to checkmate with a queen. Thank you very much.